Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an intriguing story from Zimbabwe that's got everyone talking. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has just inaugurated North End High School in kuHwedza. This isn't just any school. It's a state-of-the-art private boarding school focusing on science and technology. Opening its doors this January, it promises to provide top-notch education with modern facilities. This initiative is a significant step towards making education accessible for all Zimbabwean children. Chiwenga emphasized the importance of quality education, stating that no child should walk more than 5 kilometers to school. This new school aligns with the government's efforts under President Mnangagwa's leadership, aiming to bridge the educational gap and equip future generations with essential skills. But here's where it gets even more interesting. While this move seems like a win for education, it has also sparked political tensions. You see, there's an ongoing power struggle within Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF. President Emmerson Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga are at odds, with differing views on corruption and national security. Chiwenga's recent comments on these issues have reportedly infuriated Mnangagwa. The tension has led to private meetings and potential political maneuvering within the party. Adding more fuel to the fire, the ZANU-PF Women's League is considering a proposal to replace Chiwenga with a female vice president. This move could weaken Chiwenga's position and further escalate tensions between the two leaders. At the heart of this power struggle are conflicting narratives surrounding the 2017 coup that ousted former President Robert Mugabe. Both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga played crucial roles in the coup, but their interpretations of events differ. This discord is contributing to the current political instability within ZANU-PF. So, what does this mean for Zimbabwe's political landscape? The outcome of this power struggle remains uncertain, but its implications are significant. As the situation unfolds, the country's future hangs in the balance. On one hand, Chiwenga's initiative to open North End High School is a commendable effort to improve education. On the other hand, the political drama it has stirred up raises questions about the stability of Zimbabwe's leadership. Will Chiwenga's focus on education help him gain more support, or will the ongoing power struggle overshadow these efforts? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on political events around the world. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.